What's up, guys? 2017 Honda Civic, no start. We got a new battery here. It's 51 RG. That's the group size. This is 500 cold cranking amp. It's a very small battery. Even the Honda original, this customer put an original battery, but I don't understand. He said he replaced a year ago, but I doubt it. I see a lot of leakage here. But what we're gonna do is today we're gonna try to start this car. It's not gonna start. I did jump start it in here, so I just want to check the voltage on this battery. And 9.90, which is nearly not enough. Okay, drove the car from the house to here. I brought it because it's a good customer of mine, neighbor. So jump started it, brought it here. I got the jump box in the trunk. So we're gonna replace the battery, but let's try to crank this baby. After that, I am gonna check for you guys the alternator output, which I already did before, but right now it's not gonna start. I got the key in my pocket. There you go. It goes clunk clunk. Don't be fooled. A lot of mechanics will tell you it's a starter, but give it a jump start. Okay, this vehicle did come over here. I did jump start it. I do got a jump box in the back seat here. I took it home. He called me, so I took my voltmeter. I checked the voltage over there. The alternator gave me 14 point something, which was perfect. Anything above 13 is good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace this battery. Then we're gonna start up the car. You're not gonna see me do a video on this replacing this battery because I got another weak Honda Civic. Same process. I do put my jump box to save the memory. But once the battery's changed, we're gonna crank it up and we're gonna check the alternator output. So you need to check two things. One, how much the power this thing has. Jump start, if it starts up, put the voltmeter on. It should give you above 13 volts. And after that, replace the battery and your car should start up. So anyways, stay tuned. After I replace the battery, we're gonna check the power of the alternator. Okay, there we have it. Battery's out. The original Honda battery. Okay, it's out. This one is 12 volts, as you can see right there. So now we're gonna crank this baby up. I'm gonna have to kind of push it with my pinky so we don't. Okay, should start up good. Beautiful. No battery light, no check charging system, none of that. Let's go take a look at the alternator output now. 1444, okay? That is beautiful. If your car doesn't start, give it a jump start. Check the alternator voltage. Don't just assume your starter's dead. This happened in the cold weather, okay? So the customer would be fooled to change the starter or alternator, but don't do any of that. Check the alternator output and good to go. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. There we have it. That's what we're looking at. We lost connection there. Just want to get a good little clip for our viewers. Perfect. Thank you for watching my video.